Hello, everyone. Today we're going to introduce our fully automatic CNC steel tube spinning machine. This equipment is designed to process 304 and 316 stainless steel tubes. The finished parts are widely used for liquid reservoirs, mufflers, and other industrial components. The machine adopts rolling spinning technology to complete tube necking efficiently. Operators only need to place raw tubes into the material hopper manually at the start. Afterwards, the machine performs automatic loading, unloading, and full automatic spinning forming all by itself. It is also equipped with the function of workpiece rotating and reversing for secondary machining. The entire production cycle runs unattended, requiring no manual operation throughout the process. This high automation machine greatly boosts production efficiency and ensures consistent processing quality for mass production.